In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Shopify. Whether you're moving your online presence to take advantage of Shopify's extensive e-commerce capabilities, or stepping up your online store game, transferring a domain may seem daunting, but it's quite manageable with some guidance. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, look for the Home menu. This is the control center from which you'll manage your account. Within the Home menu, find and select Settings. This brings you to an area filled with various options for managing your site. Next, under Settings, you'll want to click on Domains. Here, you'll see a list of all domains linked with your Squarespace account. Choose the domain you wish to transfer over to Shopify. This will open a page showing detailed settings for your domain. It's here where you'll locate the Lock Domain option. You'll want to unlock your domain by toggling the switch next to this option. Note that unlocking is necessary to make the domain eligible for transfer. After doing this, be sure to save your changes. With your domain unlocked, pay attention to the Get Authorization code. Click here to receive a code via email. This code is essentially a key that will allow you to authorize the domain transfer over to Shopify. Once you retrieve this code from your email, keep it handy. You will need it shortly. Now, let's shift our focus to Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Navigate over to Online Store in the left-hand navigation pane. From there, click on Domains. Within the Domains section, you will find an option labeled Transfer Domain. Click on it and enter your domain in the space provided. Start the transfer process by clicking Next. At this point, Shopify will ask for the authorization code that you acquired earlier from Squarespace. Enter the code carefully, and then click Next. You may see some notifications regarding DNS settings. Review them to ensure everything seems correct. Upon confirming that all looks good, select Transfer. Once you've started the transfer, you'll need to approve the transfer request. This usually appears as a confirmation either via email or within your Shopify admin panel. Keep in mind that the domain transfer can take anywhere from a few days to a week to complete fully, so patience is key. To ensure a seamless transition, double-check any settings related to your email, as you may need to update MX records or other email configurations to maintain continuity. Having everything set up in advance will prevent service interruptions for your domain-related emails during the transition. And there you have it. Your domain will soon be ready to thrive on Shopify's platform. This straightforward method makes it easier than ever to shift your digital real estate from one platform to another, allowing your business to flourish in its new home. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.